Do you find yourself reaching for food when you're not even hungry? It's a common struggle, but your self-worth and well-being are so much more important. Imagine breaking the cycle of emotional eating and finding peace with food. Positive affirmations can help you cultivate a healthier relationship with what you eat. You deserve to feel in control and content, not driven by urges to overeat. When you focus on your true needs, you'll realize that food can't fill emotional voids. Instead, discover the strength within yourself to nourish your body and mind properly. You are worthy of love and care just as you are. Every step you take towards mindful eating is a step towards greater well-being. Say goodbye to guilt and hello to self-compassion. Remember, food is a source of energy, not a solution to emotional challenges. Reconnect with your true hunger and fullness cues. Your journey towards a positive relationship with food starts now. Replace negative thoughts with empowering ones. You have the strength to choose what's best for you. Let's leave behind the habit of eating when not hungry. You're capable of making healthy choices, rooted in self-respect. There's power in affirming your worth and well-being daily. Start transforming how you think about food and yourself today. Check out our 20 positive affirmations to begin your journey and stop emotional eating.